Now see here the question number 3rd. The question is, firstly draw a circle O with radius OA is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Now listen to me very carefully. I don't have compass now. Open the compass equal to 2.5 centimeter and place the pointer of the circle like this way here and draw the circle like this way. Okay, means you have to open the compass equal to 2.5 centimeter and then draw a circle like this way. Get it? So this is the center of your circle, and when you people measure this, the distance between this point and any point on the boundary of the circle, you people will see that is of 2.5 centimeter. Get it? That is just for explaining you. I am drawing again this circle. They have just told to us that to draw a circle with center O. Here center word may be missing. Center O with radius OA is equal to 2.5 centimeter, means here O word is written and here any radius you people can draw, and that radius name is equal to OA. So that's why I have given name here OA. Get it? Now the next question. Name any 3 points each on the interior and exterior of the circle. That we know. Interior means inside the circle and exterior means outside the circle, and the question is name any 3 points, means here we have to mark any 3 points which are interior of the circle and any 3 points which are exterior of the circle, means I have to mark any 3 points that are inside the circle and any 3 points that are outside the circle. That is simple question. Let us suppose this is the 3 points W, X, Y. These are the 3 points that lies inside the circle, and any 3 points, let us suppose this point and this point, S, T, U. These 3 points are outside the circle. That is completely your wish, what you people want to give the names of these points. Everything that is completely of your choice. Just you have to write any 3 points that are inside the circle and any 3 points that are outside the circle. Next thing. Next question. Draw points X, T on the boundary of the circle. Boundary of the circle, this portion. This is the boundary of the circle. Means here you have to plot 2 points and the name of these points are T and X. Now see, this T and X I have named firstly also. So that means here you people can change this T to D and X to Z. Because X and T we have to give the names on the boundary of the circle. Draw point T and X on the boundary of the circle, means on this region, anywhere you can. Here let us suppose this is the point on the boundary of the circle. Let us say this is the point T. And this is also on the boundary of the circle. Let us suppose this is the point X. Get it? Now the next question is, name the points which constitute the circular region of the circle. Now what is the meaning of this point? Now you have to name all the points that are constitute the circular region. Means, now listen to me very carefully. Now you have to see only the circle. Means not outside the circle. Means you have to see only this portion. Means nothing outside the circle. What is written outside the circle, that you not have to see. You have to just write the parts of the circle. Now see, all these points that are inside the circle, that are the parts of the circle. That are on the boundary of the circle, that are also the parts of the circle. But that points that are outside the circle, that are not the parts of the circle. In the simple language, if you people are trying to cut this page, cut this circle, then the point which are inside the circle, that are with you. But the points that are outside the circle, that are not with you. So that means name the points which constitute the circular region of the circle, all those points that are interior of the circle and all those points that are lying on the boundary of the circle. Get it? So firstly we are writing the inside points, so that are points W, Z, Y are the parts of the circle because they are inside the circle. We have written W, Z, Y. O point is also inside the circle, that is also the part of the circle, so point O. Here T, X and A are on the boundary of the circle, that are also the parts of the circle. So that is also the answer. T, X and A. And our question is done.